Everyone thinks the best-selling shop air compressor is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, DeWalt Pancake Compressor. First up is the DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. At around $204.99, this compact powerhouse caught my attention with its 6-gallon tank and impressive 165 psi. If you want reliable performance without the maintenance hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2.6 SCFM and 90 PS means you can run your tools smoothly without interruptions, which is crucial when you're working on a project. Plus, it has a quiet operational noise level of 78.5 dBA, so you won't have to shout over it while you work. With over 7,000 reviews and a solid 4.6 star rating, many users rave about its reliability on job sites and at home. Now, some people complain about it being a bit heavy at 30 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power and performance, a little extra weight is a small trade-off. This compressor is still portable enough for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable compressor for woodworking or roofing projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or primarily for light tasks. At this price, you're getting excellent value for a solid, maintenance-free compressor. Now, if DeWalt's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bostitch Air Compressor Kit. Next, we have the Bostitch Air Compressor Kit, priced at $199.99. What stood out to me was its lightweight design at just 29 pounds and its oil-free operation. If you want a hassle-free experience without constant upkeep, this one is worth a serious look. What makes this compressor shine is that it provides 4 CFM at 90 psi, which means you can easily power multiple tools at once without sacrificing performance. Its low noise level of 80 dBA makes it a solid choice for indoor use or residential areas. With 1,900 reviews and a 4.7 star rating, it's clear that people appreciate the combination of power and quiet operation. Now, some users mention that the air hose isn't as durable as they'd hoped. But here's the thing, you can always upgrade the hose separately if it becomes a concern, and this compressor's performance far outweighs that minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, portable solution for home projects. Skip this one if you require heavy-duty power for industrial tasks. Overall, it gives you fantastic value for a complete kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power. Product number 3, Metabo HPD Pancake Compressor. Coming in at $219, the Metabo HPD Portable Pancake Air Compressor is next. This one caught my eye with its ability to reach 200 psi, which is 25% more pressure than typical pancake compressors. If you're tackling heavy-duty tasks, this one is worth a serious look. What's impressive is that it delivers 4 CFM at 90 psi, allowing you to run multiple nailers simultaneously without any hiccups. This is crucial for professionals who need to keep the workflow going. Plus, it's lightweight at 42 pounds, making it easy to transport across job sites. With a solid 4.5 star rating and around 1,400 reviews, it's clear users love the consistent performance. Now, some users did find it a bit noisy compared to others. But honestly, for the power and performance you're getting, it's a minor trade-off for those who need efficiency. This is perfect for you if you regularly use multiple pneumatic tools in your work. Skip this one if you're only doing light tasks infrequently. For the price, you're getting an excellent compressor that won't let you down. Now, if the noise level is a concern for you, check this out. The next model is known for its reliability without the racket. Product number 4, Clutch 20-gallon air compressor. Next up is the Clutch 20-gallon air compressor at $249.99. This compressor has a 2 HP motor and a 175 psi capacity that really got my attention. If you're in need of a reliable compressor for continuous duty, this is worth a serious look. It offers a quick recovery rate of 4.2 SCFM at 90 psi, which means you can keep your air tools running smoothly without waiting around. The oil-free pump is another highlight. It reduces maintenance and ensures you're always ready to work. With a 4.4-star rating from around 668 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and efficiency. However, some users mentioned that can take up more space than expected due to its size. But here's the thing. If you're doing serious work in your shop, that extra capacity could be a game changer for your productivity. This is perfect for you if you need a compressor that can handle higher demands. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact for light use. For the price, it offers solid performance for those who need it most. Now, if you're looking for even more capacity, the last product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Clutch 29-gallon air compressor. Finally, we have the Clutch 29-gallon air compressor, priced at $349.99. This hefty compressor features a 2.5 HP motor that can deliver a maximum pressure of 175 psi. If you want serious power for various applications, this is worth a serious look. It delivers 5.1 CFM at 90 psi, which means you can run multiple air tools without skipping a beat. The oil-free design not only saves you from maintenance headaches, but also ensures a clean work environment. With a rating of 4.4 stars and 668 reviews, users love its efficiency and robust performance. That said, some people found it a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, for the power and capacity you're getting, it's a small price to pay for a compressor that can handle heavy-duty tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious DIYer who needs a lot of power. Skip this one if you're looking for something small and quiet for minimal tasks. Considering its capabilities, it offers great value for anyone needing a serious air compressor. So there you have it, the top 5 shop air compressors. We covered the DeWalt for reliability, Bostitch for portability, Metabo HPT for power, Clutch's 20-gallon for continuous duty, and the 29-gallon for robust performance. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy compressing!